Hello friends, we are trying to solve this problem. See, what is the question? How many terms are added in 24 plus 20 plus 16 to make sum 72? See, what is the question? 24 plus 20 plus 16 so on to make 72. See, we can find this problem in two ways. We can make complete series 24 plus 20 plus 16. After 16, here common difference is reducing 4. So after 12, after 8, so on. So it will be little difficult. I mean, if the series is little complex, then it is difficult. So we can try it in by solving equations. Let's see. Here, what is the first term? A equal to 4. Here, common difference D equal to T2 minus T1 equal to 20 minus 24 equal to minus 4. And their sum is Sn equal to 72. We have to find how many terms to make this sum as 72. So we know Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 72. Therefore, n by 2 into a is how much? 24. 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into d. d is minus 4 equal to 72. We can make simplification. 2 to cancel. Here 2. So n into 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 equal to 72. n into 24 minus 2n plus 2 equal to 72. And 26 minus 2n equal to 72. 26n minus 2n square equal to 72. We can make like this. 2n square minus 26n plus 72 equal to 0. See here what I done, I moved all these terms to right side and reverse the equation. So it is the equation. Common 2. 2 into n square minus 13n plus 36 equal to 0. Therefore, n square minus 13n plus 36 equal to 0. If we solve this equation, we can find what is the n value. See here, the product is 36 and sum is minus 13. So 36 we can write as minus 9 into minus 4. Therefore, n square minus 9n minus 4n plus 36 equal to 0. Here minus 9 minus 4 as minus 39. Common n into n minus 9 minus 4 into n minus 9 equal to 0. n minus 4 into n minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, n equal to 4, 9. So this is the answer. I will give directly proof. Just you can verify whether it is right or wrong. This is the proof. If we add first 4 terms, it comes as 72. If we add first 9 terms, it comes as 72. But if the series is a little tricky one, it will be very difficult for us to solve. That's why I given proof how to solve this problem above and also a shortcut solution. Thank you.